Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness with one of the most reliable products for your home gym, the Yes4All 3-in-1 wooden Plyo box. This plyometric box is not only versatile but also sturdy, making it the best plywood box you can get for your workout routine. Whether you're into box jumps, step-ups, or any other plyometric exercise, this box is designed to meet all your needs. Constructed with high-quality wood, the Yes4All 3-in-1 Plyo box is built to last. It can handle up to 450 pounds of weight, ensuring it's durable enough to withstand even the most intense workout sessions. The box comes in a 3-in-1 design, offering multiple height options that allow you to customize the intensity of your training. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, this box has you covered. One of the standout features of this plyometric box is its user-friendly design. With pre-drilled holes and puzzle joints, assembling the box is a breeze, and the included instructions and video tutorials make the process quick and easy. There's no need for any special tools, so you'll be jumping in no time. Plus, its non-slip surface ensures safety during your workouts, so you can focus on perfecting your form without worrying about slipping. The smooth, sanded edges provide a comfortable and scratch-free experience, while the large handles make it easy to move the box around, no matter where you want to use it. Whether you're training in your living room, in a garage gym, or outdoors, the Yes4All Plyo box offers the perfect solution for your plyometric exercises. This box is not just a great addition to any workout space, but it also caters to all fitness levels. From boosting cardiovascular health to increasing strength and agility, the Yes4All 3-in-1 wooden Plyo box is the ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their fitness. Its versatility and solid build make it a top contender in the world of home gym equipment. If you're serious about fitness and looking for a product that will take your workouts to the next level, the Yes4All 3-in-1 wooden Plyo box is a must-have. Don't settle for less when you can have the best. Get yours today and step up your training with the perfect plyometric box. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products for your home gym.